Hey guys, not only do you get unlimited workouts, 2 small group personal training sessions a week, personal training, nutrition coaching, our no-fail accountability coaching software that's brand new, our super active group, it's not a Facebook group, don't worry, our daily motivational content, body fat measurements, and regular measurements, circumference measurements. I will personally do your macros for you, which macros are your proteins, fats, and carbs. If you know how much protein you should be eating, it's a lot easier on fat loss. Plus, you're also going to get a nice fun goodie bag. What does the goodie bag include? Well, samples of protein, stickers, collagen, 150 gift card giveaway, more stickers, an awesome necklace that's inMotion, strong is beautiful. And then we have more protein, a water bottle, and then a travel ticket, 3 days, 2 nights for the first 5 people that join our 30 days.